Hi guys, welcome to another short video from the Audiofile-Incar. Today I want to show you the solution for the Porsche Cayman. So this is a 981 chassis 2014 model car. Done two things in here. Number one, we've upgraded the hi-fi, and number two, we've upgraded the sat-nav. So both upgrades becoming more and more popular. So we thought we'd shoot a short video so we can show you what it's all about. As you can see, looking at the door panel, everything looks completely standard. Actually, what we've done in here is a huge amount of acoustic work within that door, so it's completely soundproofed, as is the back of the door card, which eliminates all the rattles, which these cars are quite prone to and known for. So we've actually kept the original woofer in the bottom of the door, but we've replaced the mid-range with the Focal ES100K component set, and we've located the tweeter back in the factory location within the grille on the top of the dash there. You can just see it through the air vent. It's pretty trick. Sounds well there too. The whole system is driven by a JL audio amplifier. Again, you can't see it. I'll try and show it to you. It's just tucked underneath this seat in the original factory location. You can just see the green light there showing us that the amplifier is on. So we use a 5-channel amplifier, and we run the front end of the system completely actively. So that means we use a channel full of mono woofers in the bottom of the doors. We use 2 more channels for the mids, and we use 2 more channels for the tweeters. That completely eliminates the need for passive crossovers. Less weight for your Porsche. We've also in this car upgraded the sat-nav, so we've given it Apple Carplay. We've actually used a Pioneer in here. It's probably the most popular choice. This particular unit gives us Apple Carplay, Android Auto, CD, DVD playback. It's got full onboard navigation, although it's barely needed with Apple Carplay now, of course. It's got Bluetooth audio streaming. It's got USB, 2 USBs in fact, and we run the USB cables into the armrest here. So as you can see, we've just got our iPad plugged in there playing a bit of background music. The 2 systems are available separately, so you can just go for the navigation upgrade, you can just go for the audio upgrade, but in fact it seems to be becoming more and more popular for people to have both done at the same time. This system is now detailed on our website, www.audiofile-incar.co.uk, or you can give us a call on 01279 757 218 for further details.